All right, I'm going to show you really quickly if you don't want a pin loop. So let's say you don't want a pin loop here. You want to have this be more of a carry. Maybe you carry your pin in your pocket, which I can see doing, especially with the Lamy Safari. You will go ahead and unscrew the screws here on the folio, on the pin loop, or not on the folio, but on the device that hold the pin loop in. And you'll get those out. Go ahead and pull your pin loop out. And then the Supernote comes packed with this little dust cover. So what you want to do when you install this, you'll notice here, see if I can get that in focus. There we go. This right here needs to go towards the outside. That way when you go to remove it, it's an easy remove. So you can go ahead and push that in. And I like to take this and just push it there on the side. So you just use that to make it flush. And what this does is it keeps dust from getting into where the pin loop is supposed to be. So it's just a nice way to make that experience a little bit easier. You just go ahead and again, just about a quarter turn, because you don't want to be too tight with it. There's no reason to be. A quarter turn, and there you go. Now you have no dust being able to get in there, but you also do not have a pin loop.